In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, I bear witness there is no God but God, and God is the only one who has the right to be worshipped. I also bear witness that Prophet Moses, Prophet Jesus, and Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon them, are the messengers of God, and I seek refuge in Allah from the rejected Satan. Greetings of peace, and thanks for tuning in. I've got an excellent video for you all today. There's lots of deception in the world, so we need the truth to help guide us, and the best source of guidance is Scripture, the words of the unique Creator of all that exists. So in this video, I have a different format. It's sort of going to be more poetic style. I'm just going to read off a series of Quran verses to help paint a picture, to help us guide us in our current situation and for things to come in the future, inshallah. Arise with the divine message and warn, and your Lord do announce his supremacy, and idol worship spare no pains to exterminate it, and shun all uncleanliness, and bestow no favour seeking to get more in return, and endure your trials with perseverance for the sake of Allah. For the disbelievers it will not be easy to behold the complete triumph of truth. Leave me alone to deal with him who I created. And patiently persevere in the face of all that these enemies say, and withdraw from them in a graceful manner. Leave me to deal with those who belie the truth, and who are possessors of ease and plenty, and give them a little respite. O you who believe, do not let your possessions and children make you forget the remembrance of Allah, and those who do so shall be the real losers. And he will provide him sustenance from where he least expects, and he who puts his trust in Allah, he is sufficient for him to fulfill his needs. Allah is sure to accomplish his purpose. Allah has set a measure for everything. We have surely created a human being from a sperm drop, uniting it with an ovum. We wanted to bestow our favors on him, that is why we made him hearing and seeing. Verily, we have shown him the path, clearly giving him the full choice, whether he be grateful or ungrateful. Rather, a human being is himself well aware of his own self, and so himself is a witness against his own soul. So no excuses will be accepted from him, even though he puts forth all possible excuses to prove his innocence. So that's just to help us understand the law of cause and effect, what's going on in the world, to make sure that we're trusting in Allah, the unique Creator of all that exists, that Allah will take care of us, provide for us. We need to have a strong faith in that, and to leave all the shenanigans and all the mischief that's going on in the world, to leave that into Allah's hands. These are the disbelievers. We shouldn't be going out. I don't believe we should be going out and protesting. We can voice our opinions in a more discreet manner by sending in letters or making videos and having discussions and whatnot about the situation. And it's best to leave that to the hands of the unique Creator of all that exists, as Allah has created them, and as Allah will deal with them accordingly. We don't have a Khalifa, we don't have Imam Mahdi in a leadership position at this period in time, so we don't really have a way to deal with these situations in a harmonious way that would be quite effective. So it's best to leave this in the hands of Allah, what's going on in the current affairs and whatnot, and to overlook these people's faults and to be persevering in the cause of Allah, to do all the things that Allah makes lawful, and staying away from the unlawful things that Allah forbids. So it's very important for us to put our faith and trust in Allah, that Allah will take care of us financially, will provide for us. This may take some time to build up, and we have to make sure that we are pulling in our own end to make sure that we are living up to what's pleasing to the unique Creator of all that exists, to make sure that we're doing the lawful and staying away from the unlawful, and this will increase our ability to be closer to Allah and have the blessings of Allah for Allah to provide us in a lawful manner, inshallah. So I just wanted to give a quick video in a different format, a different style. The verses will be in the description box below if you want to take a further look at them, inshallah. And like I said, I hope you enjoy this video, inshallah, and take Allah as your shield. May the peace and blessings of Allah be with you.